What's up, y'all?
Hey guys, we're back.
We're back. It's Demi.
It's Genesis.
I'm Joelle.
Yay, we're
Yay.
back.
Yay! Sweat. Okay.
Okay,
So
today we're gonna be reacting to NCT's Fire Truck.
fire truck, because one special fan requested it.
Yes, one of the commenters.
Yes, thank you. Shout out to our fans that requested it.
What are your fans' names again?
Demigods.
Mhm.
Because
Just the fandom.
My name's Demi, and Genesis is
Is
related
it
to the
God?
Bible.
Yeah, it's
So-
related to the Bible, like
Oh.
a first book of the Bible. So like God
we
God
thought we
created.
were creative with that. I don't know if you guys don't like it, then I'm sorry, but you guys are demigods.
No, but like they can choose to change it.
Yeah.
They
You
want.
guys are fans, so if you want to change it, please suggest in the comments.
And keep suggesting songs for us to record,
please.
yeah, to react to.
Yes. So, well, have you ever watched NCT before?
I think I've seen this video, but I don't remember it.
I haven't watched or listened to any NCT.
No, we have Seventh Sense. Remember, all three of us watched it together.
We don't remember.
I don't remember that.
It goes.
I kind of just show up
and
and act a fool.
We never like recorded it, but like.
Oh, okay.
Genesis, I don't
No,
recall.
we watched it.
Okay.
Don't recall like the song.
Shout out to KARD.
Whoop, whoop. Okay. No, it was like that song that was like. Okay,
That's a lot of songs.
I don't know.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I'll show you after this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you guys will remember.
So,
yes.
should we get started?
Yes, let's do this. Alright. I got this. Let me start the
She
video.
got this.
She got it.
Ooh, the
Fire truck.
Ooh, black and white. I feel
Black
like
and
everything's
white.
automatically more dramatic if it's black and white. Why did they ruin it? Damn it! Oh, and then back. Okay. Oh,
Why is there a little girl?
I feel scared.
Girl. Why? What?
Whoa. This is like
A little
trap.
white girl too.
Yeah, why is it an American girl? She looks terrified.
Well, she could be Korean.
Maybe half.
Why are all these guys randomly in her backyard? Oh! She spent a lot of effort trying to build that sandcastle, maybe.
Maybe they're trying to.
Are they following her to school now?
Maybe they're just defying the white supremacy that is in the world.
That's true. She was trying to build white supremacy and they knocked it down.
You guys are getting really... Oh, why?
See now, white supremacy.
There's like literally like 10 students in that class.
It's a small class.
Oh, they are trying to like... They're trying to water hose everything. Like yeah, tear down white supremacy.
Maybe question mark?
No, it's Mark.
He's attractive. Oh, whoa. I like that. Wait, since when did we move to a micro?
No, I think that's the hallway.
Oh,
of
the
the
girls.
school.
No, I think the girls growing up.
Oh, the girls growing
See,
up.
look, she
Oh, she's
work
in the
now.
business
Working
world now.
Okay. Oh, they're following the bone.
Hey. Is she a co-side person? CQ the co-side?
I think the boy.
How would they not noticing that? They're like clearly not supposed to be there. Okay. Why don't you just like water hose
I
everything?
want somebody to like lift me up like that.
Oh, now she has a family.
Oh, it's like Beauty and the Beast Belle.
She does look like.
Oh.
Say that. Like, well, the outfit.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Don't destroy her dinner or breakfast. Fire truck. They're the fire trucks that are,
The firefighters.
extinguishing all the fires that are
Floppy
happening in
disk.
our life.
Yo, shout out to floppy disk.
Shout out to Kosai.
Hashtag Kosa.
Oh.
I keep thinking dirty stuff.
Is it the water? Everything's wet.
It's a lot of things. I'm sorry.
Ranger.
Oh
my God.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
They're casually dancing in rain. Just Let them dance and
Pang.
dance.
It just said Pang.
Fire truck, NCT.
Oh,
she's
she's
old.
old now.
She got crusty. Did she die?
Is that her backyard?
She died in her
Or she's
sleep.
sleeping?
Oh, is that her
Is she
child?
dead? They're going after the kid too.
Oh shit! They're gonna follow his life too.
I have no idea what kind of savages people in the NCT are, but
It's NCT 127.
that's a lot. They should cut it.
Okay, so like this is what I heard from my friend is that NCT is like split up into like different groups.
Yeah, NCT Dream.
Yeah, and so like there's like a Chinese group, there's a Korean group. I think so.
Ni
Yeah,
hao.
I might be wrong, but like there's like that group who did the 7 Cent song, that song right there. The one with the red. Yeah. And
Oh yeah, NCTU.
Yeah, and there's NCTU and like
NCT 127.
And then I
NCT
think they're like
Dream.
trying to find out like who's gonna be like the final NCT people.
Mm.
I might be wrong, so just like tell me.
No, that makes sense. SM Town is like that. Gotta find the best talent. Shout out to EXO.
Okay.
So, do you guys want people like NCT following you around in life like all the time
No.
and extinguishing?
Spraying.
Okay,
Spraying water on you all the
don't
time.
spray water on my hair. Like, I can't have that. You know how long it takes to do my hair?
I know.
And then you want to ruin it with water?
Right.
No. They can stay
Yeah.
far away.
But
Far
even though
away.
they're so attractive, you want them to stay far away.
If they have water and they or a hose and they're trying to spray me, hell yeah, back up.
Yeah.
And it's cold out here. I'm good.
No.
I'm good.
No? You
No,
too?
I'm good. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm good too.
I like being dry.
Yeah.
But
Sure
like,
you like being dry?
Oh my god.
if they didn't have,
Because
you guys are being, if they didn't,
this never happens, Joe. This happens in the other way.
if they didn't have water hoses and it was just them boys, I'd be fine with them following me everywhere I go.
As your life progresses.
Yeah, because then everyone else would be like, whoa, she's getting a lot of boys. I wonder what's that about her. And then
Or you'll have girls who are like, oh my gosh, she's so full of herself. And like, whatever, they'll be jealous.
but it's okay because I have 7 members following me all the time.
Yeah, so it's fine.
Yeah, just without them water hoses. Keep the water hoses at your fire truck.
Okay.
Yeah.
Genesis has to be thinking dirty thoughts.
And on that
You
note,
know me.
on that note, we should stop this video.
Okay, we'll end this.
Ugh.
Bye,
You didn't do
guys.
your swoosh.
No, we're not ending
Oh.
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm just
Oh.
saying
Okay.
we should, yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe as usual, and
Comment what other videos you want us to react to. And if I was wrong about what I was saying about
I'm
NCT.
sorry, guys, if she's too much, or they're too much.
We're fine. We're
I
fine.
think we're okay.
I think we're fine.
Honestly.
We're the majority right now.
Yes.
Did you guys think the same
So-
things? Did you watch this video? Let us know in the comment section, or else they're just crazy and really, weird.
I think white supremacy is a valid theme.
Oh yeah,
And
I agree with that, but not the wetness.
You think the video was dry? You guys agree that the video was not wet? It looked very wet all the time.
It was very wet.
Everyone was
Very
in the
wet.
splash zone.
Everyone.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.